In the past, we see lawyering, advocacy not being limited to the issues of legal disputes. It is also a question of getting communities and societies to be informed about their rights, enforcing their rights. And so the expansion of the legal profession is not limited to determining legal disputes. It is also an opportunity to enable communities and societies know their rights, enforce their rights and their entitlements. And I think, therefore, it is a very commendable development.
We recognize that today we have a 21st School of Law being launched in Kenya. This is a testament to the growth of legal education across the country. Kenya still has a low number of lawyers per capita, and many members of the Kenyan population are unable to access legal services because we don't have enough lawyers. So this is a great opportunity for the country.
The Council of Legal Education expects to all universities that have been accredited to submit annual reports so that we can monitor the work that they're doing. And the license that the universities get, like Tharaka Nithi got theirs in December, is valid for 5 years. So therefore, after every 5 years, you apply afresh. And part of that application process requires that we look at, have you met what you guaranteed in the curriculum?
Our legal students need to be broad-minded. So they need to read wide, they need to interact with the professionals so that they can be part of the top-notch lawyers in this country.